Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm just going to be doing my foundation and show you guys how to do a nice eye. So I'm just going in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And yes, I did put on a primer. I used the Smashbox Photo Finish. It's my favorite. It has just been blurred and just really nice and even. So I'm just kind of going in and just dabbing it all over, getting as much as I can on there. And then with a flat foundation brush, I'm just going in and just even everything out. Super smooth and even. Get every spot is very, very important. You don't want to miss any spots doing your foundation because it's like the base. And then I'm going to go in with the Dermablend foundation. It's not a concealer, but I like the consistency. So I'm just going to use it as a concealer under my eyes with a nice flat brush. So I go under my eyes, I do my chin, above my lip, which is like, hyperpigmentation area for me. And I just like to go in a few times to make sure that everything is all covered. Now I'm just going in on my forehead, brighten my forehead up a little bit. And of course, you can use any foundation that works for you. That's the best thing about makeup, is like you don't have to use certain things all the time. So I'm just going in with a flat makeup brush and I'm just gonna blend everything. And I like to use the same brush for my face throughout just to keep it nice and consistent. So now these are the Black Radiance foundation sticks and I'm using them as contour. And that's the color Chocolate Dips, and I just kind of went around the perimeter of my face and my cheekbones. And I'm just gonna go in. Sorry y'all, my hair was all in the way. I should have took care of that. So yeah, I'm just blending everything out with that same brush. You can use a different brush for your contour since it's darker. But me, I like to use the same brush. It just gives it a nice consistent color look, throughout. And I just blend everything out evenly, super, super even. You want everything to look seamless, as if, you didn't put different areas of color on your face and everything just kind of blends out and you still have that definition that you're looking for. So I'm just adding the color back to my face with this. And I just continue to blend everything out. And so this is the Huda Beauty setting powder. And I just take a damp beauty blender and I just go in with the blender under my eyes and I just set my highlight. I just set my concealer. And I'm just going in, setting my concealer. I set my forehead. I'm setting everything nice and everything will stay into its place. And then also setting my cheekbones, my contour. And then I go in with my Black Radiance contour palette, and with the flat brush, I'm gonna go in and just set my contour with this powder. So the key of this is making sure that you don't use the same wet brush to put your powders on. Now with the beauty blender, you can do that. You can take a wet beauty blender and go in on top of, the foundation that's already there, since the sponge just acts differently. But with brushes, I recommend dry on dry. So dry brush and powder. You don't want to go in with your same wet brush. So I'm just going in on the sides of my face and then my nose with the same brush, and I'm just gonna brush everything out smoothly. Now I'm going in on my eyes with my BH Cosmetics palette. This is the Simlpe palette, and I'm just going to go in with a blending brush, and I'm just going to put a black color on the outer V of my eyes, and I'm just going to blend them in into the corners of my eyes. I'm just going to blend it in super nice and even, just giving myself like a nice base foundation. And I'm just going to softly just keep smoking this out, because the look I'm creating consists of a nice smoky shadow and then some pop of glitter or foil. So I'm just going to go in, keep blending this out, and right now I'm just adding a red to the brow bone and just blending that out. And now I'm adding my green color of the same palette to have a base on my lids. And then I just go in with my BH Cosmetics Diamond Dazzler Foil Pigment, and I just put that on my lids, and then I define my crease again with the black. And I'm just defining that. I'm just darkening the crease out more. It just gives it a nice pop. And I'm just going to put that same thing on my corners, the same foil pigment in the corners of my eyes. And I just pop my lashes on, guys. And the same green and foil colors, I put them on my bottom lash line. And just gave it like a smoky effect. Now I'm going to go in with my lip color and just put a nice brown base. These are the Sephora Liquid Matte colors. And for after I do my brown, I go in with a nice pink nude color to do a nice gradient ombre effect. And I'm just going to do the nice lip and go in with my Maybelline. It's like a Maybelline stain. And it just further like ties the lip together. And then I'm going to go in with the blush from the same palette. I'm basically using the same red that I put on my brow bone, close to my brow bone. And then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline setting spray. And that's the look, guys. I just did my hair off camera and added some highlight to my forehead and my nose. And that's the look, and curled my hair. So tell me what you guys think about this look. If you like what you see, like and subscribe, please. I want to hear your comments, and follow me on Instagram, guys. Thank you so much.